Facebook Reels monetization issues? Let's fix it. What's up everyone, it's Arpit. Today, we're diving into Facebook Reels monetization. If your Reels are restricted or you've lost monetization, don't sweat it. This video is your step-by-step guide to getting back on track. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get your content monetized. Decoding the monetization matrix. Where do you stand? First, head over to Creator Studio and click on the Monetization tab. Check if your account's in the green or if there's a yellow flag. Facebook usually points out specific content causing trouble. Note any violations, dates, and whether it's a recurring issue. This information is key for troubleshooting later on. Knowing your starting point is half the battle. The Policy Police, navigating Facebook's guidelines. The likely culprit for issues, policy violations. Facebook's partner monetization policies cover misinformation, hate speech, and copyright infringement. Stay updated on these policies to avoid restrictions. Address flagged content honestly to get back in Facebook's good graces. Copyright chaos. Keeping your content original, using someone else's music or footage without permission. Big no-no. Facebook's rights manager helps identify potential copyright issues. Use royalty-free resources like Facebook's sound collection. Original content is king, but royalty-free is a close second. Use it wisely to stay on the monetization track. Fix any issues and keep creating original content. Check the policies, cleaned up your content but still not monetized? You might be hitting Facebook's eligibility requirements. Meet the follower, count 10,000. Achieve 600,000 minutes of watch time in the last 60 days. Focus on creating engaging reels. Consistency is key. Have at least 5 active performing reels. Keep those views and engagement numbers up. Done everything right, but still stuck in monetization limbo? Time to file an appeal. Go to Creator Studio, find the flagged content, and click Request Review. Be clear, concise, and provide evidence. Explain why the restriction is a mistake. Attach screenshots, links to policies, anything that proves your point. Submit your appeal and be patient for Facebook's review. Tackled the appeals process? Now stay in Facebook's good graces. Regularly review partner monetization policies. Keep your content original or use royalty-free resources. Avoid plagiarism to prevent monetization issues. Continue creating high-quality, engaging reels. The more people watch, the better your chances of staying monetized. Stay informed and keep your content fresh. And there you have it, your guide to conquering Facebook Reels monetization. We've covered policies, appeals, and staying monetized. Keep creating awesome content and stay informed. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more tips. Drop any questions in the comments. Until next time, keep creating and stay awesome.